Hi guys, I'm Letitia Sophia. I'm so excited to show you Eylure's ProMagnetic eyeliner and lash system. The ProMagnetic system is incredible. It's completely going to change your lash application game in only 2 steps. It also has no glue, which I find insane, and you can also wear the lashes up to 15 times. Today I'm going to be using the ProMagnetic Accent Lash. I absolutely love this eyeliner. What I love especially about it is such a fine applicator. I'm obsessed. And I love the fact that it applies so flawlessly. Look, it just glides on my skin. Let's try it out. Today I've gone for a winged liner so that my outer corners of my eyes can have a little bit more definition. With this liner, you can go with any liner look. You can go from natural to dramatic. And my top tip would be, lay the magnetic lash on top of your natural lashes as close to your lash line as possible. So here's the final look. As you can see, it was super easy to achieve. Also, lots of people worry about magnets being so close to their eyes, but we can assure you it's been clinically tested and is safe to use around the eyes and on your skin. I'm now going to talk to you about the 3 foam ink styles of the collection. So you've got an accent, a wispy, and a volume. The great thing about foam ink lashes is they're fluffier and you'll have tapered ends for a more natural finish. I'm now going to show you how to remove them, which is just as easy. Starting at the outer corner of your eye, lightly pull the lash away from the eyeliner. Remove the eyeliner with an oil-based cleanser or makeup remover wipe. Thanks so much for watching. I can't wait for you to try these out. Stay tuned for more ProMagnetic videos.